Hey everyone, so we have provided a functionality to change the store while creating the process. So suppose if you are dealing in multiple level of bill of material and while creating a production process for same, there is a functionality to select the store for that particular process. From where you can do that. So first of all, let us go to our production module. Once I will come in production module, you need to go here, and then after you simply need to create a new process. So suppose I will select this particular item ID, and once I selected this, please check this is the bill of material. Now here are the store, and in the very end you can see use same stores in all sub process. If I will unselect it, it will pick as per the bill of material. If I will select it, it will pick this store which is selected. I hope this particular functionality will be helpful to you in order to make the store selection. Have a good day ahead.